Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Amrin. I am a student. I am pursuing 9th class. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Madarasa Baitul Uloom English Medium School for imparting us the art of public speaking. I am going to talk about Ask Allah for knowledge. Allah taught this supplication to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, especially for memorizing and learning the dua. We should therefore beg Allah using this dua repeatedly and sincerely, tip to remind you to recite dua. You may link it to the word Ilmin Ayatul Kursi, and after you recite Ayatul Kursi, or after Adakar say Rabbi Zidni Ilma along with the dua. We must make a plan and spend time every day to understand the Quran. If a student asks Allah for success in a very salah but does not go to school nor open any book to study, will he pass the exam? If we just pray for knowledge but don't make an effort, we are playing with the dua. Some people say that you don't need to know more, just practice what you know. This statement not correct. The only dua taught by Allah increase is an increase in knowledge. More knowledge will give stronger faith, and then it will be easier to obey Allah. It will be also help spread it in a better way. It will be easier to understand and avoid the attacks of shaitan. Oh, should you pray like a person who is hungry patient who will undergo and understand and this surgery the next day? Will he ask Allah only once? Will he ask without feelings? Ask Allah again and again to help us understand every page of a most important book of knowledge. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.